Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? I hope all is doing well and in the best of health. And if you're not, please be reminded that you all are in my prayers. Now, my beautiful people, how should I start this? Or what should I say? I have a surprise for you today. Yes, I have a super surprise for you guys today. Now, I know um it's not only healthy persons who eat healthy per se really watch my channel. And I said to myself, you know what? I am going to do a indulge day. A cheat day? Yes, man. I don't know one person who is eating healthy or is practicing a healthy lifestyle who don't have a cheat day. Because we have a cheat day in our household. Yes, we have a cheat day where we go hard, man. And anything out there that we've been dying to have that we take a break from. I'm talking about, your rice and peas, your white rice and peas and chicken, your French fried chicken, your oxtail, your curry goat, your red pea soup with beef and all of them something. Your roti, your curry goat, your curry chicken, all of those stuff. Yes, we indulge. We call it our indulge day, and we do indulge say twice a month. And it's usually on the weekends, like Saturday, Sunday. Saturday man, you cook your big pot of red pea soup. I love soup. I am so in love with soup. I would drink soup every day. And my husband loves soup too. Manish water and all of them something there. Yes, and on Sundays your nice rice and peas and French fried chicken and your curry goat and your oxtail or your baked chicken. Yes, me never tell nobody say me not eat chicken or me not eat meat. Matter of fact, I love meat. Me love meat bad, 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 bad. Me love meat. But I have come to realization that, you just need to change up your diet a little because the older we get, and the diseases and all of those things, and when by the older you get wiser and smarter, and even though it is hard to do, we have to come to the decision to change up our diet a little and eat a little healthy and cut out certain things. So what I have for you today, guys, is some nice yardy food, man. Some nice rice and peas. Me I talk about no brown rice. Me I talk about white rice and peas. Yes, man. And French fried chicken and oxtail. Yes. That is one of my husband's favorite meal. He said to me yesterday, boy babes, said tomorrow indulge day. Me say yes, so you want? Him say that's what he wants. He wants some fried chicken, rice and peas, and oxtail. So yes, that is what I'm going to take to you guys today. I am going, because I'm an all-rounder, I'm versatile like that. I versatile because I do have customers who I do those stuff for. Fried chicken, curry goat, roti, oxtail, all of those stuff. I have customers that I do. So I'm a versatile. I can do every and anything in the kitchen. So today, that's what we decided on doing for you all today, and I'm going to take you through everything, every little thing that I do, how I do my oxtail, how I do my French fried chicken, everything, and we are going to have a feast. Yes, we are going to have a feast today. And as I always say, man, me never tell nobody say me no eat unhealthy. Yes, I indulge, and I know that you guys want to see how I do those meals, because I know I have a lot of supporters who, love them kind of food and want to see how me cook them. So that is one of the things that I'm going to include here on my channel, is to indulge. It's called the indulge day, the cheat day. And if we're gonna indulge and cheat, might as well we just go hard on it. So me gonna do some carrot punch. I mean, I'm talking about no carrot punch with no honey and nothing, with milk and everything. Yeah. We're not just go hard today. And I'm inviting you guys into Kenya's kitchen. Alright? Yes, my beautiful people, look here. This is what I am telling you about. It's the Indulge Day. Oh my God. And as I said before, I know it's not only my healthy supporters who watch my channel. I know I have other supporters who do and who'd love to see me prepare some real Jamaican food, man. Yeah, man. Some real French fried chicken and oxtail and rice and peas with the coconut milk and your garlic, broccoli, and everything here. This is what I am talking about. So I decided, if I'm going to indulge, why not go full force? Don't hold back on nothing. Because if you see me have my oil over there, so I don't really use the oil, but you can't really fry your chicken in a coconut oil. The real coconut oil, no sign and go work. Coconut oil expensive, and fried chicken take up whole heap of oil. So you have to get your little other coconut, other vegetable oil that. Yes, man. And see me have my peas already cooked here, so. And inside of my peas, I'm going to have my regular onion, thyme, pepper. This pepper is from my backyard. I have a lovely tree at the back with them. Then say they're hotter than the regular Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my garlic. I have my scallion. All of these is for the rice and peas. And I'm using this Alberta rice. I already used some out of the pack. So I have some left over. I'm going to use it. And see me have my coconut, yeah? The frozen one I cut up and put in the freezer. Yes. See it here. I'm going to blend it up now and extract the juice and get it. And you know you really can't cook your coconut, your rice and peas without some margarine. See me have the real margarine here. Yes, man. Gonna use that in it, man. And me say, if we are not indulge today, if today is our cheat day, why not go hard? So over here, I'm gonna make some nice. And you put your supplement in the man and you nice it up, man. We just go hard today and done. Real hard today and done. So we are gonna nice it with vanilla, we nothing egg, all of them nice little spice, they are not going there, man. Yes, and over here, so now is all of the seasoning and stuff that is going to go into the meat. Yes, and look over here, so look here. This is the chicken. French fried chicken. I already wash it with vinegar and lime water. And over here, so the oxtail. Look how the oxtail is pretty, man. A long time I not eat oxtail, And as me say, we always indulge once a month or twice a month. And I said to myself, why not show you guys? And me never tell no, say me never eat meat. Me eat meat, actually me love meat. But I just made up my mind to cut back on it. Look at that. Nice. So I'm gonna show you how I season up my oxtail, man. And my French fried chicken. Then come back up here. So with the garlic and the cauliflower, I'm going to make some garlic. With the broccoli, sorry, and the cauliflower, I'm gonna make some garlic with some garlic butter, garlic broccoli. I'm gonna make a little, with lettuce and your tomato. You make your little salad, and all of these are going to go into the oxtail. Cut them up and grind them up. So I have my pepper, my garlic, my ginger, my bell pepper black. I have the yellow and the green. I have some carrot over here, so. And you know I love my green plantain. And you see me have my purple cabbage here, man. I find something to do it, man. When I make my salad, I put it in there, man. So I just want to show you up here. So I have my cayenne pepper, my browning, my all-purpose. Mixing this bottle, I have all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning. So I not use the whole heap of chicken, the whole heap of other seasoning. Then I just stick to this when I'm indulging. I'm just stick to this because this have a lot of to me have a lot of flavor and niceness. And I'm also gonna put some black pepper in it and my browning for my oxtail. Yes, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead now and season up the meat so you guys can see. Hi, baby. Yes, guys, this is rice and peas. Bubble up in the pot. So I'm gonna cover this now and go and start on the meat. Come and cook with me. Nice. Guys, it's chicken time now. So as you see in here, I have some grated onion and some chopped garlic. Yes, I love to put onion, grated the onion and put in my fried chicken. It gives a very good flavor. So I grated the onion, about half an onion, and chop up some garlic and put in it. And here I'm putting my all-purpose season, my chicken season, my black pepper and some cayenne pepper. About 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose, 1.5 tablespoon of chicken, half tablespoon of black pepper and some of your cayenne. So I sprinkle everything over it now. Yes, I'm go in there like this. Sometimes I love, because I said I love my food spicy, sometimes I would cut up even the pepper and season it up with it. But my daughter, I kind of have to cut back on some of the pepper. But she like the spice too, but I can't overdo it for her. Because you know she has to get her chicken leg. Yes, guys. If you could only smell this chicken. Mama, you need chicken? Alright, chicken soon ready, okay? Season it up. I use a fork and go and juke it. Season, pierce it, man. Yes. Put some little hole in the season. This is about a teaspoonful. I'm gonna take out a little more because you want it to well season it, you know. But you can season it to your preference, as I said. I add in some black pepper, that is good enough. And I'm going to all over it, man. Yes. Then I use my cayenne pepper. Make sure so the cayenne pepper get into of my something them spicy. Oxtail gravy. Never go anywhere yet. Everybody asks for oxtail gravy. As they can't afford the oxtail, but they want the tubes of gravy. So I'm gonna just throw off everything here so in this now. All of them seasoning here. Your onion, your scallion, your garlic, your thyme. Everybody. You're going to add your browning to it now. About it. Going to add it to it. Yes, you're going at this now, man. Like you need. You have on a hand gloves, so you're going at it, man. Look at this. And you need it out. You have to make sure that all of the season them. All of the season, all of the meat them. Get something, man. Pick up that because in there so clean, you know. Yeah, man, you know you need dumpling. Need flour. Grind it up, man. Make sure that the season them, everybody. Look there. Yes, guys. Look there. Come and cook with Kenya. Guys, you might notice when I'm in the kitchen, I'm a different person. I'm just so excited. I'm like telling you. I love the kitchen. Me talk different. Me act different. Crazy. Yes, man. Look there. All the smell. Nothing smell good like when a good seasoned up meat in a man. Holy cow. Yeah, man, you want to get everything in there, man. So that is why I put on this so you know, mess up my hand, you know. I want to need it. Yes. So this is ready. I'm going to put down for soak for a couple of minutes. Then I cook it up, man. Yep. Yes, guys. So the rice and peas is finished. Yeah. Look there. See how fluffy that look? I'm going to take out these. Look there. Nice. Make it stay for about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. It's good to go. So for my flour to French fry the chicken, as you see here, you need about a cup of flour. You need a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, teaspoon of chicken seasoning, some black pepper, some cayenne pepper. But as I said, guys, you can put your seasoning in as you like. But for this recipe, a teaspoon of all-purpose, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, and this is it. I'm going to add some baking powder. What this does, it gives the chicken a tender, soft texture. I'm going to add about a half teaspoon, about this amount in it. And make sure that all of these are combined properly in your flour. Yes. Some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, a little salt. Remember to watch the salt, not too much. And then you're ready. And some baking powder. Make the chicken tender. Making use of the oil before the chicken go in there. And frying up the plantain. Yes, man. Fry up the plantain. Hear that pressure cooker? That's the oxtail being pressured. So very soft. You have to be careful with it, you know, because I don't like when when it mash out and all the meat come off of the bone. No, son, I like it just tender and nice. So you have to make sure so your time is right to turn off the pressure cooker. So make these plantains go and simmer, go and fry up. Yes, when you're ready now. So you want to go in with it like this. With the flour. Make sure so everybody gets a touch up. Yes, man. Yeah, dust it off looking like this. Here comes so now. Yes. Look at that. You want to have this on a low flame or a medium flame because you don't want it to get burned too quick without it being soaked. I normally make a yes, get it in like yes guys. So as you see here I have my broccoli steaming, my broccoli and my cauliflower steaming, and they almost ready. See how easy the fart going. I love my broccoli and my cauliflower crunchy. So it's ready now. So what I did with this, I add some coconut oil and some garlic butter in it, and I add a little water and put it inside and just cover it on a low flame and it steams. So when you know it's ready, the fork can go through it easily with a little crunch to it. So this is my garlic, broccoli and cauliflower. Lovely. And that scent is delicious. Yes. Yes guys, look at this. This is the oxtail cooking down. Look there. Lovely. I'm gonna add some ketchup to it to make the sauce thick. Yeah man, you see how sturdy my oxtail is? I didn't make it over pressured because I don't like when it mash out and off of the bone. So it is cooked very tender but not mash out. So I'm gonna add some ketchup to this now and cover the pot. Make all of the seasoning marinate and cook up in a heat. Yes guys, I would add some bean to it, but I'm not a fan of broad bean with this. I don't really like it with the broad bean, so I'm just gonna make it stay like this. And over here you have this little piece of chicken them I go and fry up, you know. Yes. And over here, these already finished. Well brown. Well nice. Yeah. Smell that, man. Oh, Jesus. Look here, guys. Oxtail ready now. Look how it look here. Look. Look there. So tender it is. Look. 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 Look there. Tender. And don't mash out. Everything there on the bone. Look. Woo! Juicy and nice. Oh, for Jesus. Yeah, so nice. My God. The mouth just a run water for this. 2 more minutes. Make it get into a thicker sauce. And it's done. And ready to serve. Yes. Lovely, lovely. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. This is the end result of everything. Ooh, look on the oxtail. Look on the rice and peas. Look on the fried chicken. Look on the carrot punch. Drop some ice in that now. Look on the plantain and the broccoli and the cauliflower. Look over here, so on the salad, the vegetable salad. See, I have some slices of apple and pineapple and raisin on top. And I have my avocado here, so guys. Whoa! Was so nice. Yeah.
Hey, Leonard, if you're happy and you know it, no need to clap your hands because I have an emotion detector.
Rice and peas, oxtail, fried chicken, broccoli, corn, and garlic butter.